Good morning, everybody. Well, it's another day on working on this Jeep. I got the bed sanded yesterday, and today it's time to degrease the bed and get ready for some primer, and then we will put the vinyl lining, or whatever you want to call it, the protective coating on it, and then we'll see how it looks. So let's get to it. As you can see, I've already started degreasing the bed. I'm wiping down some of the dust and everything off the cab itself. So I'm not going to bore y'all with everything. I'm just going to get this cleaned up, and I'll show you as we go. I got it all wiped down. I will wipe it down a second time and then add some primer to the bare areas, and then let that dry, and we'll go from there. All right, here we are with it all taped off, primered, and now we're going to let this dry and go mow the yard, and then we'll come back and we'll start putting the coating on it. See you shortly. Good afternoon, everybody. So I pulled the Jeep out here in the driveway for a while since we finally got the sun out. Been letting it cure for a little bit. Here's the finished product. This is Iron Arbor. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. It's $9.99 a can. It took 4 cans to do the bed of this 22 Gladiator, and it looks a lot better. We appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be doing more Jeep stuff in the future. Have a great day.